Hi everyone. Right, I've just been making some of these because I'm doing another plaque. Somebody's ordered a plaque and I'm making these up. I may use them, I may not. And they're just using these little flowers, taking the middles out, using the big pearls that we have. Do you remember those with the little stopper in? It goes in the end there like that. Just to make little dangles, and then I will glue them all together and put several on. You know, I may use them, I may not, I don't know yet, but I'm going to show you how to do them. They're really simple. Now you don't need to use these with the stoppers. You can just use an ordinary pearl because it doesn't have that big hole there. That is just for the stopper, and as you can see it's just a little decoration like that. So they're quite nice. So you need little flowers. You can make these yourself out of paper. If you're going to do them out of paper, use like, I don't think I've got one in here. I think it's in the other room. You know, like the rounded end of something, like I usually get a ball. And with the paper, you can just do that until it lifts that petal up like that, if you're going to do them out of paper. If you're going to use flowers that you've got that are synthetic on fabric, or a flower press, whatever you've got, you know, you can use those as well. So I'm just going to, I've taken the middle out of mine, and I'm going to show you how I make them. I need to thread my needle. Again. And make sure your needle goes through your beads. Mine does because I've already tested them. And I'm using a 6mm pearl as well. And there was like a little belt thing that I got in the flowers yesterday, that had all them pearls on, and I thought, you know what, I'm not gonna, I didn't want the belt, it was awful. I'm just going to use the pearls, so I cut them all off this morning. Right, so what we do is, if you're using these, we do sell these in the shop in a big, you get loads in a bag. You're missing out. Where the smallest section is, put your needle through, pull it through, take hold of the little bead cap, the little bead stopper. You've got that on there, go back through the bead itself, you run it down to the end, and then you've knotted the end, and you just split that like that, push that down, pull it down, that will drop down into the chamber, and that's quite sturdy and quite safe. Then what I do is take it through the hole like that, and very simply add on all the beads that you want. And I'm doing 8. Well, you can do different amounts so that your tassely dangly bits, the dangles, flower dangles, let's have a look. Just pull that tight. Yeah, just so that, oh look, I've put a knot in there now. Why? How? Oh. That's it. Yeah, just tighten that bit up. You just have to make sure that they're nice and tightly on the thread. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put 9 on this one, and I want it to hang slightly lower than the other ones. When I can find the hole. So let's just have a look. Yeah, see, it's hanging slightly lower. That'll do. And to finish it off, all you do is you pull that tight, go in through the last bead, And you just need to do that 2 or 3 times. That will just secure it. Jojo, stop. I'll do it again. So I'm going to do mine 3 times. Like that. Just keep pulling that one tight. Maybe once more if I can get the needle in. Yeah, that'll do just. But leave it long enough, because the way I'm going to attach mine together is, you've seen me do this before with the glue. And what I do is put a dab of glue on, twist it, and that seals them all together. And that's going to make a nice little dangle trim. So I'm just going to do a couple more of those. I want some a little bit longer. I've got enough on here, I think, to do another one. Again, don't forget to go in the smallest end first, then put the stopper on it, then go back through. Get the thread, we need it separated. See how it pulls it towards that, and then just pull it into the chamber. Then the flower fee. And you can have the flowers any way you want. Right, let's have a look, see how we're doing. See, you've got to be careful of this, because that's what can happen when you've not pulled it tight enough to start with. Now I'm going to put an extra 2 on this one, because I want one a little bit longer. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm going to put 10 on this one. 9 and 10. Run that down to the bottom. Go back under the last bead. Do that 2 or 3 times. I'm going to do it 3 times if I can. There we go. And then just snip. And there's another one. See, they look really pretty. And I think we'll do one more. Am I going to get enough on this one? We'll see. Maybe not. Probably not. Put a little stopper on, back through the bead, and then pull that, oops, nearly went off again, down to there. Take your little flower, pop that through the end. And then we'll put, maybe just do 6 on this one. So I want them at different levels. There we go. Yeah, there's 6 on that at different levels. 1, 2. See if we can get another one done. Thank you to everybody that's bought the jewellery. For those of you who haven't seen it, I have loaded on all the bracelets, all the earring sets, all the necklaces, and they are purely for crafting with. But there are a lot of it that there is a lot of it that you can actually wear. So let me just do this once more if I can. Yeah, if you want to go along and grab a bag, it's all inexpensive. That's another one done. So let me just move that to one side. I don't want to spill it. And like I say, these were just taken from a plant, you know, like a synthetic plant. And I like using them in my crafting because they're cream. So we've got these, all different lengths. There's a smaller one. That's the larger ones. It doesn't matter, just put them there. And then we've got that one that I couldn't double or triple thread. And really easy to make. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.